Communicating with buyers is obviously a very important part of selling on Etsy. If someone has sent you a message on Etsy, you'll see a number next to Conversations at the top of the page. Click on that to see your messages. New messages are clearly marked. Click on the subject to open one. And after you've read it, simply click on the big reply button to leave your reply. Type your message into this box, and you can also attach images. So if you're having a conversation with someone about a design, you can send proofs this way. Just add the images to show them what they're purchasing. Buyers can add attachments as well, which can be very helpful. Then just click on Send. If you plan on having a lot of conversations with a buyer, you can add tags or descriptive words to a message so that you can easily search for it later. So if this is about a custom design, you could add a tag that said Custom Proof. You can easily read a thread of messages, read messages from specific users, or choose a tag. You can also start new conversations from here as well. In your email preferences, you can choose to have an email notification sent to the email address you used to sign up for Etsy that will tell you when you have a new message on Etsy, which is a great idea if you don't want to have to log in just to see if you have a new message. Thanks for watching, and don't miss the next episode in the How to Sell on Etsy series.
Hey, this is Doc. If you're looking for a cheap and easy way to put your own content on the web, go get domain names from hover.com. Just visit hover.com/butterscotch and you'll get 10% off and support shows like these. Thanks.